Stop translating in your mind. If you are thinking in Hindi first and then translating into English, you are making a big mistakes. And if you continue these mistakes, you will never learn English fluently. Yes, I am saying this clearly. This one habit is stopping your fluency. Your mind becomes slow, your confidence becomes weak, and you start thinking that English is difficult. But English is not difficult. The real problem is thinking language. And in this video, I will tell you how I changed these habits and started thinking in English naturally. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am Anamika, and today I want to talk honestly. Before, I also used to think in Hindi. If someone asked me some simple questions in English, first I thought in Hindi and then I translated into my mind and then I try to speak. And during this process, I become nervous and sometimes my mind's blank and sometimes I know the answer but I couldn't speak confidently. Then I understood something very important. The problem was not grammar, the problem was not vocabulary, and the real problem was my habit of thinking in Hindi. And so I decided to change this habit, and today I will tell you how I did it and step by step. How can we start thinking English? Is it possible for a beginner? Yes, it is possible. But you need to daily practice, small daily practice. I followed 5 simple steps. First, self-talk, journaling, reading short English stories, and shadowing and daily speaking practice. Self-talk, talking to yourself. Self-talk means talking to yourself in English. And don't feel shy, it is your private practice. And when I started, I spoke very small sentences. And when I woke up, I said, I am waking up, I feel sleepy, today I will practice English. While brushing, I am brushing my teeth, the water is cold, and while cooking, I am cutting the vegetable, the food is cooking, and it smells good. And small sentences, slowly my brain started thinking into English. And step 2, journaling, daily writing practice. Journaling means write 3 to 5 sentences every day. And at night, I wrote simple line like this. Today I wake up early, I practiced English word, and I felt happy. And read it is very simple, and then I added more details, and like that, today I woke up early at 6 a.m. I practiced English words for 10 minutes with full focus. And I felt happy because I am improving. When you write daily, your brain becomes learn sentences structures. And write helps your thinking becomes clear. And slowly you stop translating and you start thinking directly in English. And step 3, reading short English stories. Reading is very important. If you want to talk in English, you must give English input in your brain. I didn't read big books. I read just short stories, small paragraphs from Google, ChatGPT, social media, and motivation quotes. And only 5 to 10 minutes daily. When you read daily, you learn new words and you see how sentences are made and you understand naturally English pattern. Your brain stores these patterns. Step 4, shadowing technique. It is very important, and shadowing means listening and repeating immediately. For example, play a short English video and listen to one sentence and pause the video and repeat the same sentences. Copy the pronunciation, copy the speed, and copy the emotion. At first, it feels difficult, but after some days, your speaking becomes smoother and your confidence increases, and shadowing improves pronunciations, fluency, and speaking speed. Even 5 minutes daily is enough. Step 5. Daily speaking practice. Most important part. And this is the most important step. You must speak daily. If you don't speak, you will never improve. So speak alone, speak in front of a mirror, speak while working, speak while cooking, and speak while doing housework. And don't worry about mistakes, and mistakes are part of learning. When you speak daily, your fear becomes less and your confidence becomes stronger. And how I improved. It didn't happen in one day. First week was difficult, and after 15 days I felt small improvement, and after 30 days I felt confident, and now I think more English than Hindi. Not perfect English, but simple and clear English, and that is enough. And if you really want to speak English, if you really want to think in English, so do self-talk daily, write 3 sentences daily, and read small stories daily, and practice shadowing and speak every day. This is the full formula, simple, free, and effective. If I can do it, you can do it also. So start today and comment below. I will start thinking in English from today. And like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.